வியூவர்ஸ், என்னோட வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்தால் லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். ரைட் சைடில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு லைக்ஸும் நான் நிறைய வீடியோஸ் அப்லோட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு மோட்டிவேட்டாக இருக்குது. ஸோ லைக், ஷேர், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் மை வீடியோ. ஹாய் வியூவர்ஸ், இன்றைக்கி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் கிளாஸ் 8 ஜியோகிராஃபி யூனிட் 2 வெதர் அண்ட் கிளைமேட் லெசன் புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் question and answer and higher order thinking questions. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, Earth's atmosphere contains about dash percentage of nitrogen and oxygen. Option A 78% and 21%. Option B 22% and 1%. Option C 21% and 0.97%. Option D 10% and 20%. So here the correct answer is option A 78% and 21%. Second one, dash is generally defined as the average conditions of the weather of a place or a region. Option A Earth, option B atmosphere, option C climate, option D sun. Here the correct answer is option C climate. Third one, the earth receives energy from dash. Option A current, option B electromagnetic radiation, option C waves, option D heat. Here the correct answer is option D heat. Fourth one, which one of the following represent places with equal amount of rainfall? Option A isotherm, option B isohel, option C isobar, option D isoheads. Here the correct answer is option D isoheads. Fifth one, dash is used to measure the humidity. Option A anemometer, option B barometer, option C hygrometer, option D thermometer. Here the correct answer is option C hygrometer. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, dash refers to the condition of atmosphere for a short period of time. The answer is weather. Second one, the scientific study of weather is called dash. The answer is meteorology. Third one, the highest temperature ever recorded on the earth is dash. The answer is 56.7 degrees Celsius. Fourth one, dash is a ratio between the actual amount of water vapor and the maximum amount of water vapor the air can hold. The answer is relative humidity. Fifth one, dash and dash are measured by anemometer and wind vane respectively. The answer is wind speed and wind direction. That is wind speed for anemometer and wind direction for wind vane. Sixth one, dash are imaginary lines which connect the same temperatures of different places. The answer is isotherms. Third Roman letter, match the following. First one, climate, long-term changes. Second one, isonif equals snowfall. Third one, hygrometer, humidity. Fourth one, radar, locating and tracking storms. Fifth one, low pressure, cyclone. Fourth Roman letter, state whether the following statements are true or false. First one, the atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planet. The answer is true. Second one, the scientific study of weather is called climatology. The answer is false because the scientific study of weather is called meteorology. Third one, isohel refers equal sunshine. The answer is true. Fourth one, humidity is calculated by aneroid barometer. The answer is false because air pressure is calculated by aneroid barometer. Fifth Roman letter, answer briefly. Question number 1, define weather. Question number 2, what is insolation? Question number 3. What is meant by atmospheric pressure? Question number 4. Write a short note on planetary winds. Question number 5. What are isolines? Sixth Roman letter, distinguish between. First one, differentiate weather and climate. Second one, differentiate absolute and relative humidity. Third one, differentiate permanent winds and seasonal winds. Seventh Roman letter, give reasons. Question number 1. The weather and climate in different regions vary. Second one, temperature decreases with increase in altitude. Altitude means height. Give reason. Third one, mountain climbers carry oxygen cylinders while ascending peaks. Eighth Roman letter, answer in a paragraph. Question number 1. How is temperature measured? Question number 2. Write about the wind and its types. So, we should explain about wind and its types. Planetary winds, seasonal winds, local winds. Question number 3. List out the weather elements and associated measuring instruments. Ninth Roman letter. Give any 3 suggestions to reduce global warming. First one, plant trees. Second one, recycle the used things. Third one, composite wasted food and biodegradables. Activity, map work. Now let us mark the heat zones of the world. Direction in the right hand top corner, 0 degree equator, and above the equator 23.5 degree Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere. Similarly, in the southern hemisphere below the equator Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree. So the torrid zone lies between Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. And then the temperate zone lies between Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north to Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north. Similarly, in the southern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south to Antarctic Circle 66.5 degrees south. Then the frigid zone lies between Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north to 90 degree north. Similarly, in the southern hemisphere, from Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree to 90 degrees south. Second map is planetary winds of the world. The third map is major pressure belts of the world. Let us see some additional questions for competitive exams. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, the dash receive slanting sun's rays. The answer is polar regions. Second one, the degree of heat present in the air is termed as dash. The answer is temperature. Third one, which of the following represents places of equal sunshine? The answer is isohel. Fourth one, the distribution of temperature is shown by means of dash. The answer is isotherm. Fifth one, based on the heat received from the sun, the earth is divided into dash zones. The answer is 3. Sixth one, the standard air pressure at sea level is dash. Answer is 1013.25 MB. Second Roman letter, fill in the blanks. First one, the word climate is derived from the word dash, which means inclination. The answer is climo. Second one, the lowest temperature ever recorded on the earth was at dash station in Antarctica. The answer is Soviet Vostok. Third one, there is a close relationship between dash and rainfall distribution. The answer is temperature. Fourth one, generally rainfall is high in dash region. The answer is equatorial. Fifth one, rainfall is high in the equatorial region and dash gradually towards poles. The answer is decreases. Sixth one, low pressure system are also called dash and dash. The answer is depression and cyclones. Seventh one, high pressure is called dash. The answer is anticyclones. Eighth one, dash is used to show the distribution of air pressure. The answer is isobar. Ninth one, the highest air pressure at sea level was recorded at dash Russia. The answer is Agata. 10th one, the small variations in pressure that exist largely determine the dash and dash patterns of the earth. The answer is wind and storm.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. It will be useful for your competitive exam.